Hello students, this is your math teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 6 mathematics, that is chapter first, number system. So here it is number system. So first of all, in number is most important thing in our daily life. You have already learned in your previous class, that is class 4 and class 5, about the number. There you learn about how to write a number in a word and how to put a comma according to Indian place value system and international place value system. Here you have to learn about the same topic but in expanded form. थोड़ा और ज़्यादा हम लोग इस क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. So without any further ado, let's start. See, first of all, here you have given two terms, that is notation and numeration. Notation means what? Writing a number in figure is called a notation. And what is numeration? Writing a number in words is called a numeration. Whenever you write a number in words, that is known as numeration. That is known as numeration. And writing a number in figure, that is in digits, so it is called a notation of a number. So first you have here, that is Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. So according to Indian system, let us take an example, that is I am taking here the number 256840553. This is the required number. So first of all, I am going to teach you how to put a comma according to Indian system of a numeration. So count from the right side. First of all, what? Count from the right side. 1, 2, 3 digits. Put the comma before 3 digits. Then repeat it after 2 digits. So like this, you have to put the comma according to International Place Value system of numeration. First, see again. First put the comma before 3 digits from the right side. Then repeat it after 2 digits. After 2 digits you have to repeat them. Okay, so this is the arrangement of the comma according to Indian National system. Now see, same number I am putting here according to the chart. See, first you have ones. Ones have the 3 periods, that is ones, tens, 100, and thousand have 2, that is 10,000. TH stand for 10,000 and TTH stand for 10,000. And here it is lakh and 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So see here, 3 ones, 5 tens, 0 100, 4,000, 8 10,000, 6 lakh, 5 10 lakh and 2 crore, and here 1 10 crore. So this is the arrangement according to the Indian system of numeration. So by using this chart, you can write the name of the given number according to the Indian system of numeration. See, first you have, that is, count them: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Whenever you got a 10 period, that is 10 crore, so you have to read them combine. Okay, see here it is 1 2, that is 12 crore, that is 12 TWELV, 12 crore, 12 crore, 56 lakh, 56 lakh, 84,000, 84,000 and 53. So by following this method, you have to write the given number in a words. So this is the required answer. So इस तरह से आप फॉलो करके इसको आप क्या कर सकते हैं, गिवन वर्ड को आप नंबर में लिख सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. सो नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखते हैं इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के बारे में. Second, you have, that is international system of numeration. According to international system, you have to arrange a comma. First count from the right side before 3 digits, and again 3 digits, and again 3 digits. That means you have to form a triplet and put the comma between them. ओके, 3 का ट्रिपलेट बनाना है और कॉमा वहाँ पे पुट करना है. ये कॉमा पुट करने का तरीका है अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. So first I am arranging here 5, 4, 1, 2 3 9 8 6 5 4 3 and 5. See, so how to write in words according to international system? See, first of all, write it from the right side. Read it: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So right here it is 534 billion. 534 billion and 68 million. 68 millions. Again 932,000 and 145. Now class, see here, I am solving exercise 1A from your R.S. Agarwal mathematics book, class 6 standard. See here, in one number write the given words in a number, है ना? You have to write. You have given 3,02,506. So here it is 6. Write it from the right side. Okay, 6, and here 100 tens place is missing, so you have to put here 0, and 100 place is given, so 5, and 1,000, 2,000 is given, but 10,000 terms is not given, so put it here 0, and lakh is given, that is 3 lakh. See here, so this is 3,02,506. This is your required answer. You all are already know how to arrange the given number in expanded form. You all are know already. You have done in your previous class. Okay, so see here how you have to do here. 2 and put it here 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 1 2 3 1 of 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and put the plus sign, and 4 into 1, how many 0? 1 2 3 4 5 0. Okay, again plus and 0 here, 0 into 1 of 4 0, 1 of 4 0, plus 5 into 1 of 3 0. Okay, then plus 6 into 1 of 00, plus 0 into 1 of 0, plus 9 into 1. So this is the required expanded form of a given number. Okay, ये आपको करना है. Okay, so class, I am giving you homework. Do exercise 1A all. Okay, very simple exercise है ना? You have already done in your previous class. Okay, so thank you.